When starting a new tank, especially salt water, there's a lot of choices that need to be made. So the better prepared you are ahead of time, hopefully the better the process will be and more success you'll have in the tank. One of the first things I have to decide before putting water in this tank is, where am I going to get the water? There are several options to consider about preparing salt water. The easiest, but maybe in the long term the most expensive, is to buy pre-mixed gallons of salt water that you can just pour in. This is good because you get stability in each bottle, but it also can add up cost over time. The other option is to go to the local fish store and you can purchase RODI water by the gallons, bring it home and mix it yourself with sea salt. The other option is to buy a RODI system, which can run anywhere from about $150 on up to about $400, depending on how many stages there are and the type of system you get. With your own RODI system, you can prepare your own fresh water, mix it with the salt water, and then you have both options for salt water as well as fresh water for topping off. What I'm going to do is actually set up a saltwater mixing station in the garage, because I think over time that's going to be a lot cheaper than going down to the local fish store to purchase gallons of salt water. Okay, so one of the first things we're going to do is test the water here to see what type of RODI system that we need to help make this a success. RODI systems come in several stages. We need to test the water to see what stage we need to get, starting with stage 4. I think it goes up to 7. This is a insta-test kit by Analytic. It tests for free and total chlorine. Okay, and depending on the results of that will tell me which RODI unit to buy. So, I'll fill up a glass of water. Get a test kit out. I grabbed a test strip out and dip it in the water for 2 seconds. Shake the excess water off and then compare it to the color indicators. And I have that upside down. So, okay. Now 2 seconds. Shake off the excess water. And I'm going to compare it here. Looks like the total chlorine is anywhere from 0.5 to 0. Oops, sorry. And the free chlorine is closer to 0. Okay, so that's the information I'll give them when I order the kit. I believe that's a stage 4 system, because it doesn't say if there's any chloramines in there, which is the bottom color. So I'll order a stage 4. I'm going to get the water saver version that has less waste and twice as much capacity or speed in filling up, 150 gallons versus 75 gallons a day. Not because I need that much water, but it'll help conserve water because I don't have that much waste, and it'll be faster, just easier to use.